How to scan for viruses on your iPhone. So if you think your phone might have a virus or malware, I'll show you how to check for it. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is opening the settings on your phone. Then scroll down and click on General, and scroll down again and click on VPN and Device Management. Now, if you see an unfamiliar connection here, I'd recommend removing the VPN or profile. It should say Not Connected, just like you can see here. Once you've done this, go back to the main settings page. Before we scan for any viruses, there's one more thing I like to do. Just scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on Apps. Then scroll down and click on Safari. You can then scroll down to Clear History and Website Data and click on this. Make sure all history is selected and just press Clear. Now that we've cleared the cookies and cache, we can scan for viruses. For this, you'll need a free application. So go ahead and open the App Store on your phone. You can then use the search box and type in the word Avast. Go and click on this app here, and you'll need to download it onto your phone. This is completely free to use. Once it's downloaded, just open up the app. Now press Get Started, and press Skip in the top right-hand side. You can then press Continue and press Allow. It will then ask you to choose a plan. We're just going to press the cross icon in the top right-hand side, and click on the cross icon once again. You can then click Get Started, and go through these steps to set up the app. Once you're on the home page, click the Run Smart Scan button, and this will scan your device for any possible viruses or malware. If anything is found, it will be listed on this page, and you can then follow the steps to fix it.